box. Number 2 is Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D printer. Are you looking to bring your furry creations to life in the most spectacular way? Then the Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D printer is the ultimate tool for furries who demand perfection in their prints. Unleash your creativity and watch as this masterpiece of technology weaves your imagination into reality. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and uneven prints. The advanced Titan extruder ensures seamless filament flow and precision that's a cut above the rest. Dual Z-axis synchronization takes your print quality to new heights by keeping the X-axis parallel, ensuring flawless results every time. Automatic bed leveling? The Sidewinder X2's intelligent design takes care of that for you, ensuring a smooth foundation for your furry wonders. And talk about speed, with a maximum printing velocity of 150 millimeters per second, efficiency meets excellence. Are you worried about interruptions? Fear not! After detecting filament exhaustion or power hiccups, the resume printing function picks up right where it left off. Plus, you can dive into peaceful, ultra-silent printing mode thanks to the cutting-edge motherboard and stepper driver. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.